Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this video is sponsored by Alipearl wig, and they sent me this beautiful blonde color. So it was pre-colored. The color came just like this. They sent me this in a, I think it's 26 inches. So it's in 26 inch, a medium cap size, and it is 200 density. I think, what did they? Okay, so I did do a video on this wig already, so that's why when I installed this wig, the lace was already cut and everything. Okay, because I did the video and did not realize that I was supposed to do a YouTube video as well, so that's why everything is kind of all over the place. But nevertheless, it still looks like I just installed it like for the first time. Anyways, so the stuff that came inside the bag, I can't find them, but they did send me some stocking cap. They sent me their Alipearl headband. I think that's all they sent inside the packaging, to be honest, and of course the wig, and I think a lash. But yeah, I think that was it. But anyways, this wig is very, very pretty. Like initially when I saw, I remember who I saw doing a video on it, and I was just like, okay, the next time I have a collab with them, this is the hair that I want to try, and they did not disappoint. I did go ahead and I added some layers to it because I wanted some curly beach waves vibe, and I think I got it. I think I nailed it. I didn't do any baby hairs because I feel like blonde wigs don't really need baby hairs, because sometimes the baby hairs don't even show. So why? Like, unless you're doing like fluffy baby hairs. But if you're gonna do like the melted baby hairs, I don't really think it looks good. But that's my opinion personally. If you guys want to do baby hairs with it, then definitely do it. But for me, I love it just like this. And yeah, I love the way it came out. The color is everything, like I said. It has some red or pinkish spots in it, but that's from the iron, I think. Because you know, sometimes when you put iron on colored hair, it kind of changes the color a little bit, but not to the point where the wig is like damaged. It still looks good to me. But yeah, this is the wig, and this is how it came out. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then definitely keep on watching. But once again, I would like to thank Alipearl wig for sponsoring this video. See you guys in the video.
Outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, die and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, ride and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta, just the one on hoodie, it's a screenshot. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, ride and die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in an
AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me.
crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work. Da, 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 da. When you walk out, da, 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 da. Before the table turn, 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 turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I get another chance to, I will never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel why. You see me, I feel why. You see me do my da 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 da. So me by that why. When you walk out, la 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 la. When the girl from my touch.
Yeah, okay, you need to get done. That'll work, come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done. If you come on, sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work.
You see me, I feel work. You see me do my da 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 da. So me by that work. When you walk out, la. When the girl from my touch.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey, feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on his head, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in a case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you throw another pretty party. Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who loved me, but I know that it ain't everybody. I can never love her, she a busybody. Baby, if you want me, can't be turning up with everybody. Nah, can't be fucking on this anybody. Yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's something when I sing about it. Yeah, mama used to be on disability, but gave me this ability. And now she walking with her head high and her back straight. I don't think you feeling me, I'm out here
I hope you guys enjoyed it. The links to the wig will be down in the description box. If you guys want to purchase this wig, definitely check that down below. Once again, I would like to thank Alipearl Wig for sponsoring this video, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.